Hey, Michael Church here, and I'm here with Ryan.
Howdy.
And we just completed his crawl space for him and his wife, Hope. And Ryan, I'm just curious, what was going on down there?
We had a lot of moisture, a lot of crickets. And it was kind of a lot falling insulation. Yeah, it was just very moist, and we had some mold, which was pretty bad. But the cricket infestation was probably the worst. So,
Now, you had tried some do-it-yourself things to address the crickets. Did any of those work?
barely, but no, not
Barely,
really.
no.
Yeah. So.
So what we did was we came in and we pulled out all the insulation, got the crawl space dry, and are the crickets still there?
They are not. They were gone.
Very good. And that was one of your main concerns, right?
It kept me up at night.
Did it really?
Yeah.
And I showed you what that cricket poop looks like too,
Yes,
right?
it's basically tar.
Yes,
So,
it's
yeah.
horrible stuff to get off. Well, did you have any reservations about hiring us, or?
No, it was very good. Your briefing was good. You went through it the whole process very well with us, and
Great.
so it was
Informative.
very informative and fair. Yeah.
Great. And how were the guys to work with when they were here?
We actually didn't even see them, to be honest. We were at work, and they came and went, and I went and checked on it when I got home from work, and everything was good.
Satisfied?
I'm very satisfied. Yeah.
All right. Very
Cool.
good.